मकर संक्रांतीच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. Today we are going to look at a direct technique of ancient wisdom, the golden question. This is our gift to our viewers on the occasion of Makar Sankranti. Listen carefully the golden question. There are number of occasions where we have to discuss. In family, in organization, in factory, or elsewhere. There are issues where we don't agree and we have to discuss. Many times these discussions degenerate, or they are waste of time, or they do not come out with a productive outcome. But ancient wisdom has this technique of golden question which gives you repeated success in such situations, be it in family or be it in public, and it is called the technique of golden question. Let us keep the matter simple and look at a discussion. In a discussion, generally we start with the issue that needs to be resolved one way or the other. But many a times the issue remains aside, or issue remains on one side, and we start discussing matters which are irrelevant to it. We use straw man arguments. We also use personal methods to get even. We keep hurling at the other side whatever comes in our hand. And soon our effort turns to hurting the other party rather than getting the resolution to the problem. And as a result of which, either the meeting is having no outcome, or it has a loss outcome. That means whatever happens in the meeting, both parties lose in the process. And the meeting might continue for hours together, but the longer the meeting continues, more are the losses. In many companies, we have seen a manager goes from one meeting to another repeatedly, and at the end of the day he is extremely tired and hardly anything has been achieved. The answer to all this is the golden question as enumerated in the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Adhishtanam तथा कर्ता करणम च पृथग्विदम विविधाश्च पृथक चेष्टा दैवम चैवात्र पंचमम. These are the 5 ingredients which are necessary for success of any task. पंचेतानि महाबाहो कारणानि निबोधमे यथा सांख्यानि प्रोक्तानि सिद्धये सर्वकर्मणाम. If you want success in any work, these are the 5 categories or 5 departments that you have to take care of. And the golden question comes from the first aspect, Adhishtan. And we will directly go into the mechanics of it. Try this out and tell us how it worked out. In any meeting that you go into, make a precondition that every 6th minute, keep some timekeeper, every 6 minutes you will touch the base by asking the question, why are we having this discussion? What is our aim in this discussion? What do we want to resolve through this discussion? And are we going on the right direction? These are the golden questions. The major golden question is why. And each one of the participants of the meeting has to verbalize whether the what is the purpose of the meeting, that is what is the why of the meeting, and whatever he is saying at this stage or whatever he has said in the last 6 minutes, is it leading to that outcome? Is it win-win situation? Do this just in 3 meetings, you will start seeing the difference. You keep touching the base, and as you touch the base, the energy gets redirected and re-guided in a proper fashion, in a proper form. That is the magic of the golden question. And 6 minutes is the time duration which is necessary for adequate discussion and also for the discussion to start weaving away from the main point. So what we are doing, we are achieving two aims by asking this golden question of why. We are getting everybody to look at the scoreboard, and secondly, we are getting everyone to assess the position that he has taken and the situation that he is in. Write out yourself and send us your feedback. Ancient wisdom, the golden question. Namaskar.